Ontario storms are getting more severe. Recent statistics in Ontario. 1 in 10 Canadian households are highly exposed to flooding, over 1.5 million homes across Canada. In July 2024 alone, flooding in Toronto and southern Ontario caused over $940 million in insured damage, over $1 billion in total losses that summer. Cooking-related fires alone caused over 14,000 house fires in Ontario from 2005 to 2014, resulting in an estimated $100 million in damages. You don't have to be a statistic. Prepare today. Protect documents, insure wisely, and keep yourself safe. FAFSO is here to support your recovery.